Man, them want to see me naked, even though I'm overweighted. Rich man make me stimulated, gun man make me lubricated. No get me aggravated. Bullet on me fire fatter than a fucking elephant. True me sing the guns and them a tell me that they're relevant. But while me have to express myself like a criminal. Try this I'ma make the bat float like pelican. And everybody know what I'm ground. Burger Park, Canterbury.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Sue Too Much. If it's Sue Who, hit the subscribe button, y'all. Hit the bell. Go back and watch some videos so you can find out who I am. So, I told y'all we was going to Walmart. I was choosing to go to Walmart because Dollar Tree didn't really have nothing I wanted in there. So now we gotta redo this. Fuck this shit up. So yes, that's what we doing today, y'all. Let's pray Walmart has a better variety of business essentials, which I know it do. So let's go. So we took a stop. We had to fix something on the car real quick. And then we'll be on our way. I don't know if you can see. The hood is up. They out there raking on the car. They go there. So yeah, in the meanwhile, this is Rose Gold. And I wanted to show you guys. Nothing on my lips. What Rose Gold looks like. Huh? If you want.
If you want.
Okay. I don't know. So, that's what I was gonna do, or try to do. It's not working. Should burn it. Is it turned on?
What?
The speaker. It tastes nasty. So yes, nothing is on my lips. I use it so much, it's almost done. You see it, you guys? Compared to what them lips was just looking like in here talking to y'all like I was cute. Rose Gold. We outside, so lighting's probably a little off, but this is she. Birthday collection, Rose Gold, baby. Okay, so once we finish the car, this is the same thing we did in Jersey for my birthday vlog. You guys could go watch that out, check that video out. We had to stop also to fix the car. So I don't know if I should show you guys some of the drive, the way there, or whatever. I don't know. Comment in below if you guys will want to see me add more drive-in scenes to my vlogs. But yeah, we're going to get some business essential for Bad Breed. Mwah.
Something special about you. I'm just ready to let you. Not a lot of times to work my.
3 days ago, I closed on my first client, a local realtor, and just.
We just want to show some of my ways still where we are go, you know? And this one cut off the thing in my middle of my something, so it's stay. Catch me a local visual. No one get no copyright thing anywhere. What are your song them gonna copyright my thing? When me tell the people them say I have the rights to use the song them, don't care. Facebook me for cost them. getting a cart? I need one of them things, man. Thank you. I need one of them chair buggies. I need one of them buggies to sit in and drive around. Because my feet is gonna hurt. What is happening? He is struggling with the cart. Alright, so I got my list. Do they have a business session? Got my list. Only getting a few things. I cannot breathe. I can't breathe in my homemade mask. Cannot breathe. Huh? I know, that's gonna be so warm. Get that shit. I will get it. I need one of them to put on right now. See? He always makes me stop and start going other places that is not on this list. I need to stick to this list. Turn around today. I'll turn around. I'm gonna turn around and stay focused. Stay focused. Stay focused. Did anybody watch the V Simone episode that she's doing? I can't breathe. About self-love and everything. I'm into that this month. Let's do it, you guys. I know. Wait. Come back. Oh, look how we found stuff. $7.99. I need one of these. I was gonna order it from. What's the difference, babe? Huh? What's the? I cannot breathe. It's too tight. It's hurting my nose. All right, y'all gonna eventually see what I get. How to be in, you guys, huh? Right, everything on. I'm telling you, I'm gonna need one of those when you start doing these shows and stuff. Everything is here, you guys. Yes, this is so much better than Deals. Everything. Look at this. A supply organizer. But yeah, first aid kit. They got little bottles for coins. See, they keep showing this shit. Look, they got the little bottle for the coins. Oh, that's cute. Could fit in my bag. But yes, guys, we're gonna do a haul when I get. So you guys, yes, I had to change my thing again. Them other ones was choking the hell out of me. But I had to go find me a seat. Feet is on 1,000. My feet hurt. I had to take a break and sit down. Like I said, I guess one day if y'all ever pay attention, y'all will ask the right questions. My bad. So yeah. Yeah, Walmart. I'm taking a break. This is terrible. You ready? Okay, you guys. In a row again. Still got my list. Got some stuff over it, which is pretty good. His phone is starting to ring, so you know what time it is. Money time. Ooh, what's wrong with that baby? And it don't look dark like that on camera. It got dark outside. We back on the road, going home. You already know we gonna definitely do a haul when I get to the crib. Show y'all what I got. But yo, I don't know. This camera is doing life because to me and what I'm seeing, it's really dark out here. But this camera is making it seem like it is OD light, Zeddy. You know what I'm saying? But You already know it's like, how long is the ride, babe, to get home? Like a half an hour. So I might cut in and out, you know. I don't even know. But yeah. Okay, so hey you guys, you already know I wasn't gonna put this video without showing you what I got, right? Alright, so I gotta hurry up because babe about to come back and he already rushing me. So I think we spent, damn it. I don't know, but hopefully y'all could really see that. I think it came up to three something. I would insert a video. But that big pillow back there is definitely one of the items we got. That red one, alright, we got this. This is gonna be so comfortable. It's so soft for my back. And we got this red one. Also, I could like put it for my back, sit on it for my butt if it hurts too much, or I could put my feet on it when I'm sitting up back on that. Actually, I already have a brown one, but I needed more cushion. And I got some sheets. Microfiber, not my favorite. Now, this on the other hand, this baby is the t-shirt material. I love this material. It's my favorite material. So, we had to get that. You already know. I was using this as a face mask. We got it at Walmart. This, you guys, this is toothpaste. This might be another video by itself because I use deodorant too as well. And what's crazy is I just commented on somebody's thing on Facebook. They had the little bump shit underneath their arm. And they like, yo, what is this? Did we take it mad long to go away? Actually, it's the aluminum in your deodorant. That's why that happens. Stop using it. I got me some tags. For like when I do vendor events, I can like tag my clothes and put the price on it, you know. I got some compression socks because first of all I lost one of my other pair. You always lose one pair of socks. What kind of shit is that? 1 foot. So yeah, this is copper. You know, copper is good for healing. I got me a glue gun. That came with some glue sticks. Y'all gonna see what I'm gonna do with that. I gotta hurry up. Like I said, he coming. But just see I could get some gif. I got spray glitter because I'm about to do something crazy. Gloves and jewelry all dazzled up. They don't give bags anymore. This, I think I got this for free. Not $5 discount, but more like they put it in there. It's gift card holders, which I think will come in handy if I ever want to like give somebody gift cards or something. Here you go. Like I said, I only use Tom's deodorant. Babe wanted to try something new. This girl is stalking me about my labels and shit. It's aggravating. I hear other people talk about it, like people be asking them and want to know everything and not want to do the actual research. But now that I know how it really is, like, boy, it's crazy. Like, what the hell? So, like I said, I don't have a printer as yet or a print label, but I know where computer store is at. And the guy inside, he says I could come in there and print out myself as long as I have the paper or whatever. He'll let me do whatever pretty much on the computer. This is a planner for babe. He needs one. Get his let's go together because I already got some. Here's here, more gloves. I don't know if y'all will notice, but eventually you will. Me and babe wear a lot of camo, so I got me some leggings. And then this big boy. This is my new comforter because it's cold, so we have to get ready and prepared because it's getting colder and colder. And these, I need them for my feet, so I got some of these. And my bad, shut up all over the place. Babe got him some too. And what else? It's crazy. That's how you know inflation is hitting. Because normally you spend $300, you have a whole area full of shit. But the more time go on, you could get less and less things. Inflation, you know, the money is devaluing. I'm telling y'all, I always be dropping jewels. Hold on. Yes. So, oh, and I got like some, I got 2 of these. I wanted to try it out. You know, you have the Gain. You have Gain. But I actually wanted to try the Walmart brand. So, like, the Gain smells weaker. The Walmart brand smells stronger. But I want to see which one works and lasts longer on my clothes. So, that's that. And I bought a table because I'm tired of doing those bum-ass lip gloss videos, and my area just be looking crazy because I be having to like make it cover up this my bed and everything and do it over there. Like, no, now I got a table, so it's gonna look more professional for y'all. Watch, I didn't bring it inside, it's still in the trunk. Babe didn't bring it inside. So as soon as he bring that in, you already know I'm gonna be making those videos for y'all. But like I said, thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Like I said, I'm Sue Too Much. If it's Sue Who, go back and watch some videos so you can know what's up. Alright?